Hello everybody, in this video I'll be unboxing the Ryobi 18 volt 125mm random orbital sander. It's a 2 amp battery. Now this unit comes with a 6-year tool warranty and 3-year and charger battery replacement. Let's open this up, let's see what's inside this box. Okay, looks like there's the sanding pads. Okay, so here's the tool. Oh, looks like the battery is already installed. Okay, so this is the unit. This looks a bit bulky. That's where you stick the pad. On and off buttons at the top. Okay, let me see what else is in the box. Okay, so this is to collect the dust. And the other part here is the charger. So just your standard charger. Here we go, this is the charger. Simply just plug it into the wall outlet and plug in a battery. And let's have a look at the tool itself. I'm gonna remove the battery here. Okay, at least this one looks flat. It's got an indicator. I'm gonna have to charge this later on. Just remember to remove this sticky tape here to the side so that it can actually connect inside the orbital tool. Okay, so this is the on button. Okay, at least we know it works. Make sure this is tightly connected. Oh, here we go. You can see it spinning. Got a bit of vibration. Just stick the pads here. Probably need to align all the holes like this. Okay, so this is the orbital tool.